Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Place both hands on the keyboard with relaxed wrists and curved fingers. Align thumbs near middle C for balance and easy reach. Keep elbows slightly away from your body to avoid tension. Use a bench height that lets forearms be parallel to the floor. Practice 5 minutes of slow scales, focusing on equal volume between hands. Record yourself to check hand symmetry and dynamics. Relax shoulders and breathe evenly to maintain control and tone. Avoid collapsing knuckles by keeping finger joints supple and active. Train finger independence with hand-on patterns played slowly and evenly. Isolate weak fingers by practicing 5-minute exercises per hand separately. Use a metronome starting at 60 beats per minute for stability. Gradually increase speed by 5 to 10 BPM once accuracy is consistent. Practice hands-together passages at half tempo before matching full tempo. Focus on matching articulation and dynamics between left and right hands. Integrate legato and staccato drills to coordinate touch across. Start with simple repertoire that has distinct left and right roles. Analyze each hand to identify melody, harmony, and rhythm responsibilities. Practice polyrhythms by tapping one rhythm while playing the other slowly. Use 20-minute focus sessions rather than long, unfocused practice hours. Stay patient. Hand independence can take weeks to months of consistent practice. Celebrate small gains and integrate new material into regular repertoire. Work with a teacher to get targeted feedback on complex passages. Use slow practice, mental rehearsal, and visualization for efficient learning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.